In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly what archiving does and how to use it confidently to keep your inbox clean without losing anything important. First, let's quickly explain what archive means in Gmail. When you archive an email, you're simply removing it from your inbox view. You are not deleting it. The message is safely stored in a section called All Mail, which is where everything you've ever received or sent lives unless it's been trashed. Think of archiving as clearing your workspace while keeping the document filed away for later. The full conversation stays intact, including attachments and any labels you've added. And if someone replies to that conversation, it will pop back into your inbox automatically. Now let's walk through the action. Open Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in, find the email you want to tidy away. You can scroll through your inbox to locate it, or if you know what you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to pull it up by sender, subject, or keywords. When you found the message in the list, move your mouse pointer over it. As you hover, a row of quick action icons will appear on the right side of that email's row. Look for the archive icon. In Gmail, it looks like a small box with a downward arrow. If you're unsure, pause on the icon and a tiny tooltip that says Archive will appear. Click that archive icon. The email will immediately disappear from your inbox. That's expected. Gmail is simply moving it out of the inbox view. Often you'll see a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen indicating the message was archived, which helps you know the action worked. Remember, archiving does not delete the message. It's still available in all mail, and it's still fully searchable. So if you need it later, just search for it by any detail you remember, like the sender's name or a word from the subject, and it will show up. Archiving is especially helpful for messages you've already handled but might want to reference someday. It reduces visual clutter while keeping your information safe and easy to retrieve. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, find your email, hover to reveal the icons, and click Archive. The email disappears from your inbox but remains stored in all mail, not deleted. Use this simple habit to keep your inbox clear and your focus sharp.